Let's dive into the text options located in the right section of your screen. Think of it as your powerful text editor, much like MS Word, but tailored for property valuation. First up, let's talk about basic text formatting. Choose your desired font and font size to set the tone of your document. Style your text with bold, italic, underline, or even striker through. Need something more specific? Use superset or hat to adjust text styling. Next, we have color options. Font color lets you change the text color to match your document's needs. Highlight color allows you to emphasize key information. Mistakes? No problem. The eraser tool removes unwanted formatting in one click. Scene 5, text case options. Now let's explore text casing. With one click, you can convert your text to sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, capitalize each word, or even toggle case to switch between uppercase and lowercase. Moving on to paragraph formatting, choose from options like normal text, body text, list paragraph, or table paragraph for structured content. Add headings or subheadings using the header option to maintain document hierarchy. For alignment, you can set your text to left, center, right, or justify. Use bullets and numbering to organize your points clearly. Borders can be added to highlight sections or tables in your document. And for precision, the hidden characters feature reveals spaces, tabs, paragraph marks, and breaks to ensure your formatting is perfect. And that's the text options section. From formatting to advanced customization, these tools help you create polished, professional documents with ease. Explore these features and take full control of your text. Next, we will learn how to export data